Can you sort them?
So put this over there, and we'll put this over there. And we'll put you right here. We're making bubbles for this today. This bounce takes practice. Hold out your arms, student. I can't go faster because student, careful.
They're crunchy.
People put tray to eat and watch out for rocks.
You can do it.
I need this to see. Whoa! We did it! I believe it. I can do it. No, please hold myself. How cold? I'm good at doing it.
Is it soft, Grady? What does it feel like?
It's soft.
Mm-hmm.
I digged up treasure.
What'd you find? Nice.
No, I'm gonna make another smiley face over here. Now let's see what else I can find. Oh, I found something.
What'd you find?